How to import the light library into our console for use. First, we need to prepare a USB stick, about 16G, no need for too much memory. We can use the U-disk that comes with the console from the factory. We first need to plug this USB stick into the console. That's the USB port of the console. After plugging it in, we need to wait a few seconds. Then we can pull out the U-disk. After pulling it out, we plug the USB stick into our computer. Let's come to the interface of the computer. First, we need to open the USB stick. When we inserted the USB into the console, it auto-created a King Kong folder. Double-click to open this folder. There are several subfolders in this folder. The light library of our console needs to be placed in the library folder. Double-click to open the library folder. Then the light library file on the computer desktop. Select and put into the library folder. Okay, that's it. Then we insert the USB disk back into the console. When the USB stick is plugged into the console, click Library Editor in the lower right corner. Then click Browse Import. Then click the USB stick. Then we can select these two light libraries. For example, I choose one now. Then click Import in the lower right corner. Pop-up notification. Import successful. This light library has been successfully imported into the list of using. And then we click Browse Import. Continue to import the light library of PAR. Then for these light libraries, we can choose multiple choices. There are options below. We can select multiple or single. If we want to select one only, and then click Import in the lower right corner. We can also here delete the light library in the USB stick. We choose PAR Lite. Click Import. Just prompt that the import is successful. At the same time, this light library will be displayed in Using List. The light library has been successfully imported into the console.